dash shifter 427 small off forward. Give you a description of this combination. It's got AF4 cylinder heads on it. It's got the World Products block. It's got a Weiand dual plane. You've got the Brawler 750 MSD Pro Billet, custom grind hydraulic roller, champ front sump pan. Show you that radio. Alrighty, 3,500 or 526 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque. Looks like 546, pretty awesome down there. Peaks horsepower 520. It's our 520 combination, different manifold and stuff like that. So really runs good. Makes a load of torque down low. So get her off there, get in the crate, come your way. Have a great day.